watching her. They're watching her. You're so close to her. Go back. Go back. Can you feel it? What is she thinking? I can tell you. She's afraid. Wouldn't you be? You'd think she'd get used to it now, after so many years. But the darkness, it just builds onto itself, growing stronger, towering over her. You might try and ignore it, turn away, but it's always there, just out of sight, when you're most vulnerable. It's like it knows that just enough light is all you need to see its suffocating power. You might think she's brave to go on this journey on her own, but it isn't bravery that drives her. Bravery only means something to those afraid of death. Senua's fear runs far, far deeper